I'm going to try to fix my whistle on my wing, and I believe it is coming from this pattern or indentation under the wing. At least I've seen people say it has on their AFD or Aeroflow Dynamics wings. This is a wing from eBay. So I'm going to try to see if the same steps will fix this. So I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning the bottom of the wing. I have some Optimum No Rinse in a spray bottle, and I'm going to clean this area. The next thing I'm gonna do here is use some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and dab a little bit on a new microfiber and just make sure any wax or ceramic spray wax or whatever is off. It smells very alcoholic. So I bought a roll of this very thin PPF on eBay. It was like $8 and I trimmed it down to size, or at least close to the size of the wing. So my goal / game plan is to put this thin piece of PPF along the bottom of this wing to try to get rid of this airflow whistle area that might be causing this noise. All right, so at this point, I realize it's not working out. I think PPF is supposed to be installed wet or kind of like a window tint, but definitely not like this. So I rethink my game plan and I decide to use little 1-inch strips to cover the rest of the indentations. So keep in mind the angle here I'm working at is really awkward just because the trunk is slightly ajar and I'm trying to get the best access to underneath the wing as I can. I'm laying the strip down here and it ends up being a lot cleaner. I'm just kind of getting this clear bra over the inserts or the holes and I'm just trying to lay it down, and later I'll come back and gently cut with my knife to trim the excess off. All right, here we are. It is not the prettiest, but it is actually functional, at least for me. I trimmed this PPF to cover these little grooves, and I did each and every one of these grooves. It's a little dirty, but it works, and I'll show you